I don't know who needs to hear this, but everybody's favorite seamless wire-free strapless bra is now available in pink. The most supportive pressure band instead of underwire, amazing compression, it's not gonna roll. At the top of the bra, the whole 360, there's a silicone gripper. You could probably run like a marathon in this bra, and I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna budge. The bra fabric's double lined, it's ribbed vertically at the bust to lift everything up. It's ribbed diagonal at the side to push everything in. The comfort level of this one is to the point where it doesn't even feel like you're wearing a bra. Normally, I'd say if you like this one, run, but girls, this pink is going to sell so fast. If you like this one, you might want to sprint. Holds everything up, stays right in place. The ultimate strapless bra. I'm gonna link it below.
Done, check out. Thank you, sis. Thank you, Babs. Thank you, Babs. Thank you, me. Ito, Mima, Medyo mantag. May paruch sa gilid-gilid. May paruch-root sa gilid. Medyo mantag. Medyo mantag, mga beb. Ayan, Mima, medyo mantag. Ay, perfect. Medyo mantag ni 129 lang to. 3 and 1. Code ako dyan, be. Code nan 2. Code nan 2, be. Code 2. Code nan 2. Be, share nyo yung live natin. Code nan 2, be. Be, share nyo naman ang live. See you. Di, sa'yo na yan, di. Di, SSD with price, ha? SSD with price. Be, kayo na ka pa nandito, hindi mo pa alam? Pag tong mga item nyo, lagyan ko to ng $2.99. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong iiyak dyan. Mima, One Piece. Sorry na. Ikaw kanina ka pa nandyan, ha? Ang gigigil ako sa'yo. Kanina ka pa nagmawain dyan. Mima, One Piece. One Piece, mga madam. Abe. One Piece. Padded na to, be, ha? Padded na to. 129. Small to medium, be. Ay. Tama. Small to medium, be. Small to medium. One Piece, 129. Code ako ng 3. Code 3, be. Code 3. Kulang tubig, be. Wait lang. Wait lang. Beb. I'm back. Okay, for the go. Ala. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Kuya Kiyam? For the next mga beb. For the next. Okay, next natin ni. Floral. 129, Mima. Ayan si Siko, garter. Garter pa yan siya, be, oh. Garter. Mima, large hanggang XL. Large hanggang XL. Ganda ba naman ni Kin? Oo nga, maganda nga, be. Tap mo na. Be, maganda talaga yan, lalo pag tinap-tap mo. Tap mo yan, be. Lalong kaganda yan. Tap mo yan siya, bes. Mima. Size ito, si D. check out na ako, Bye. Thanks. Thank you to Mima. D, thank you. Ba't naman nag-out ka agad? Sisi ko. Folded underward. Sa mga mag-check out, bet, salamat sa inyo lahat. Mama, chup-chup kayo sa akin. Mima, dapat ako check out kayo. Nagmayag kayo, eh. Mima. Size na to, XL to large. XL to large. XL to large, mga beb. Mima. 129, folded underward. 129, folded underward. Code ako dito ng 10. Code 10, code ng 10. Code ng 10. Code ng 10. Ba, umihina, parang baliw naman to. Mima. 10. Medium ang tag, mga beb. Medium ang tag. Pero parang pang large to. Medium, be. Medium nga lang. Medium nga lang siya. Size ng medium, Mima, floral sung. Floral sung. Size medium. Size medium, be. Code ako ng 11. Code 11, be. Code 11. Code ng 11. Ay, ang ganda na ito. Ang ganda na ito, oh. Small to medium siya, be. Caring ng medium, mga be, oh. Small, caring